Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Thursday, December 16, 2010. The markets are showing some resilience today. They began the morning in slightly negative territory, but then quickly went positive and remained that way for the rest of the day. The Dow ended up 41 points, the NASDAQ 20, and the S&P up 7. That's between 1/3 to 2/3%, and they remained in those territories, in those corridors, the entire day. Copper was down 2 cents, oil was down 74 cents, or 0.75%, but the big story, gold was down $15.80 to $13.70, and silver was down 32 cents to $28.90. All the media was saying huge sell-off in gold and silver. Gold plummets. Folks, gold and silver were both down a little more than 1% each. Plummet? I think not. In fact, in my newsletter today, I'm showing a graph that shows a classic cup and handle formation. Gold and silver are just getting ready for their next leg up. In fact, for new money today, I bought gold and silver. I've been sitting on the sidelines for 3 or 4 days waiting for my opportunity. 2 days in a row sell-off with gold and silver, and I'm in. Treasuries, yields across the board were down, therefore prices were up, and the US dollar went on a reprieve today and was down moderately against all the major currencies. Europe was down for the most part, and Asia was down over concerns about Europe. Hong Kong was down for the second day in a row, and it was down 1 1/3%. Keep an eye on Europe, folks. Things are starting to accelerate and happening at a quickening pace. On the economic front, initial jobless claims were down, which is good. Maybe we're having a recovery. Although real estate, it doesn't look so good. Housing starts, came out below expectations at 3.9%. Expectations were for 6%. But that still beats a negative 11% from last month. Building permits, which is a good indicator of the future, was down 4% month over month. That's not good, especially when surveys were for 1.5% positive. However, the Philly Fed economic survey came out much higher than expected at over 24, when survey was for 15. So it was a mixed economic bag of data, but most of the data was positive. Once again, all eyes are on Europe. This has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Thursday, December 16th, 2010.